Now, the next question is, can a person become liable after doing just ījāb? कि क्या एक आदमी जब कोई ऑफर कर ले, जनाब ये चीज मैंने आपको बेची, तो उसने ये ईजाब कर दिया, he offered that I sold it this commodity to you for this rupee, so can he become liable that he must sell it, that commodity to that person if next party accept it? तो क्या एक आदमी जस्ट ईजाब कर देने से उसके ऊपर लाजिम हो जाता है कि अगर दूसरी पार्टी कबूल कर ले तो वो उसको सेल करे, या वो अपने उस ईजाब से विदड्रॉ कर सकता है? Can he withdraw his ījāb or not? So Malki school says yes, he becomes liable in financial matter. Financial matter he specified. देख, एक आदमी कहता है कि भाई I sold this commodity for this rupee to you. If next party, other party accepted it, now Imam Malik says that it is obligation, it is liability, it is mandatory upon the seller that he must sell that commodity to the buyer now, because he himself offered. Now it is his liability to fulfill his offer. But Jamhur, the mean when Malki says, and Jamhur mean the other three schools are together, Hanfi, Shafi, and Hanbali. They are of the view, no, offerer party can revisit his or her offer. If he said that I sold it to you for this price, before the acceptance of other party, he can revisit, and he says that no, I do not want to sell it. He can cancel, he can withdraw his offer. So there is a consensus among the jurists that an offer becomes terminated with the death of an offeree by the refusal of other party, or by the refusal of other party, or with the wastage of subject matter, etc. So it means if offer has been made, the second party died, with the death of second party, offer will be cancelled. If the second party refused, denied, I sold it to you, the buyer said that I do not buy, then he refused, no offer will no stand. Offer will be considered cancelled. With the wastage of subject matter, the guy said that I sold this commodity to you, but there was a sudden accident and the subject matter, the commodity broke, then wasted, then the offer will be cancelled. Offer will becomes terminated even with the death of second party. Got it? So this is the thing that this is the difference of opinion between Malikis and Jamhur. Now the question is that how much a space can be tolerated between offer and acceptance? Space mean the offerer said that I sold this commodity to you. The other party is thinking about it. How much time the second party can be given? कितना फासला रह सकता है ऑफर एंड एक्सेप्टेंस के दरमियान? एक आदमी कहता है यार मैंने ये चीज आपको बेची, तो दूसरी पार्टी कितना टाइम ले सकती है सोचने का, या कितना उसके दरमियान स्पेस हो सकता है कि कितनी थोड़ी देर के बाद वो कह सकता है ठीक है जी मैंने कबूल किया. So according to Jamhur, the next one is the Shafi. It means no, Shafi is separate opinion, Hanafi, Maliki, and Hanbali is separate opinion. So Jamhur says a party can delay his or her acceptance